Good morning, everyone. I just wanted to get this quick video done to just advertise my upcoming workshop called Let's Kick Sugar. This is a workshop designed to, one, educate us about sugar. What is sugar? Um, Also, what are the effects of sugar on our health? Also, we will be covering, yeah, what's so bad about sugar. So we have a few topics that we'll be covering. The not so sweet facts about artificial sugar. So if you think that taking sugar out of your diet and replacing it with the artificial varieties, you're doing a good thing for your health, then that is something we need to reconsider. What's the underlying drivers of sugar cravings and how I can help you to overcome that. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Marcia Howard, and I'm the owner of my Bloated Belly Club and You Treatment Nutrition. And this workshop, it is um, carded for June the 24th. We start at 7 p.m. If you would like to get in on the early bird special, I have a price of $9.99 US that starts, or at least it ends tonight. So if you want to get in, now is your opportunity at the early bird special. After midnight, it goes to £27. There will be some 27 US, sorry. There will be some um, resources that I'll be giving at the end of the workshop to help you to get rid of sugar cravings and how you can manage sugar in your diet going forward. So we have a lot of information to cover. I just wanted to give you a teaser as to um, what we'll be discussing, what is sugar disguised as. There's a conundrum with labels, and oftentimes we get misled into thinking that what we're eating is actually healthy. So, what are the names that we call sugar in our various foods? All right, so if you need to get information, please feel free to contact me. And anything you need to find out, just ask. All right. Thank you very much. Hope to see you on the other side. It will be exciting. Bye.